So today we are celebrating the humble tomato by making this delicious roast Italian tomato and steak sandwich. Now the first thing we need to do is go and raid the polytunnel. Drizzle with the olive oil, then sprinkle with a mix of oregano, thyme, parsley, salt and pepper. Now simply roast until the tomatoes are soft and the juices are caramelizing on the bottom of the pan. Season the steak on both sides, then lay it out on a hot griddle. Cook for around 2.5 to 3.5 minutes on each side for a lovely medium rare finish. That will be perfect. Let the steak rest for a few minutes before slicing against the grain. And finally layer up the rocket, onion, roast tomatoes and slices of steak for a decadent and delicious treat. That's it for this week's Garden Tales. I'll see you guys next week.